Hello. Okay, so hari ini saya mau tunjuk macam mana cara untuk mau pasang ini mirror wall. Yes, industrial kinda ish mirror wall. Menggunakan dua bahan utama saja, iaitu IKEA Lots mirror dan juga wood lace. Wood lace dalam ada. Yeah, so let's start. So I got this pine wood lace, and then I cut some of them. Then I sprayed them black. Oh yeah, don't forget to measure everything before you start anything. And then you can start making lines on the walls as guidance according to plan design. Then take out the main ingredients, the mirror, and you can start pasting them on the wall using provided tape and also nail-free glue. I prefer to start from the bottom and work my way up, and yeah, please do not forget to always use the spirit level to make sure everything is always parallel, and of course to make sure everything gonna turn out really good. So yeah, let's just watch and enjoy this time lapse while it lasts. Oh yeah, for the side frames, you may gonna need to put some masking tapes to keep the wood lace in place until the glue really sets in, dries completely. And yeah, that's me putting some made up design using extra wood lace because I ended up not having enough mirrors actually. And voila, the final result actually turns out pretty good, isn't it? And so there you go. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you again next time. Bye bye.